This is the first card we're going to make with the Bouquets in Bloom Paper Pumpkin Kit from February. Pull out your envelope with the Just Jade card base in it. You'll want to fold your card base in half. It's 8.5 by 5.5 card base. Fold that in half. Use your bone folder and burnish the edge real good. Next, you will take the black layer, basic black, that is 4 inches by 5.25. You're going to want to glue that down like so. Next, you're going to want to use one of the green cards in your kit and cut it to 3 3/4 inches wide by about 3 1/4 inches long. You can adjust accordingly how you want, and then for your space, if you want a little bit longer, shorter, whatever, then you should have a piece in your envelope that is 3 3/4 wide and about 1.5 I cut. And this paper is from the Celebration paper that we could pick from, that we can no longer get, but I'm using it up to because I like it and I got it. So we're going to glue that down, then go ahead and glue the green striped piece down. Like so. I want to make sure I got an even border around. Like so. Boy, my glue is real sticky. And I want it to look like so. I could probably move that up a little bit, but I'm going to leave it right there. Then I cut a Just Jade from the nested labels that you'll glue on. Kind of center that on there like so. Then you should have a white piece in your envelope. Go ahead and stamp down the bouquet from your kit. Like so. Let's see if I can get that. I didn't do that so hot up there, but yours will look better than that. Then I took some of the Stampin' Write markers. I picked Seaside Spray, Rococo Rose, and Just Jade. And then I colored in my bouquet and cut it out. So yes, you will want to fussy cut that. Then I grabbed some, and don't worry if you don't have markers. Go ahead, use colored pencils, use your blends, use whatever you do have. I was just using a variety of different mediums on this kit as I was creating the samples. So adhere that. I popped it up with some dimensionals about in the center. Then you should have this little white piece in your kit. So go ahead and get out I got the stamp that says, "Sorry for your loss." And what I did was I took my Just Jade marker and I just colored over the "for you" instead of not the "for your," just "for you," like this. So go ahead and color And now the blends, your Stampin' Blends won't do this, so don't write on your, now I'm going to huff on it. The Stampin' Blends, you don't want to write on your stamps with those, so you need a regular kind of marker to do that. Oops, and I got a little bit of marker. I see it up here on the top of the loss. Yep, that's what happens because I'm talking, but I'm going to wipe it off. I'll do it one more time and show you. See if I could do it right this time. Because I'm not concentrating on what I'm doing. I'm trying to keep my video short because, again, my phone, it just keeps telling me that I don't have any space on my phone. I don't know what else I can delete. Okay, so now we got the For You. And if it doesn't come out exactly, again, how you want it, take the other end of your marker and you could just lightly tap it down and it will fill in the areas that maybe you don't really think got enough ink and stuff on them. But then go ahead and glue that down to the bigger green label that is in there and then pop that up or glue it flat, either way, to the front of your card. I'm going to cut it in half so I have two pieces, one at each end, like so, like so, and then just pop that up wherever you think it fits. You could put it down there, down there. I'm going to put it over here because it's, if I'd have, should have maybe put my bouquet going the other way and then I could have put it down here. But that's it for card one, you guys.